Welcome to Online Learning Central. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. Today I'd like to share with you the answer to the key question, what are the top 3 strategies you can use to advance your DevOps career in 2020? Well, let's start with getting trained. Let me recommend 3 particular training programs that we think will be quite valuable to you. First, the DevOps Engineer from IBM and Simplilearn training program. Second, the Microsoft Cloud Workshop on OSS and Platform as a Service entitled MS-40533. And thirdly, the Introduction to Linux, Open Source Development, and Git. So these 3 programs, depending on your skills and backgrounds, you'll find quite valuable for your career in the new year. Next is Get Published. And we recommend 3 key platforms. First, Mention is one of those widely used blogging platforms on both technology and non-technology related topics. And we've included a link that includes 5 tips for getting your article on perhaps lessons learned, best practices, etc., published on Mention. Second, the LinkedIn platform has a feature called Write an Article. This is a link or a button, if you will, on your home page, and you can publish your article, whether short or long, directly on LinkedIn and get some significant visibility. Thirdly, we also recommend submitting your article or related publication to Ars Technica, TechCrunch, and or HuffPost Tech. All 3 of these platforms have millions of users and subscribers, and it's a convenient, powerful way to get yourself published in the DevOps arena. And finally, get known. We're talking about online networking and communication, primarily using social media. And first up, we want to recommend the Reddit Everything DevOps community with 130,000 members. Second, Twitter's DevOps.com community has another 32,000 members. And thirdly, the DevOps Institute has an online forum or community that you can join for free and begin rubbing virtual shoulders with your DevOps colleagues and peers locally and worldwide. So getting trained, getting published, and getting known, we believe is a powerful, simple formula for advancing your career in the new year. Simply click on the links directly below this video. Our website has all the details. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central. I wish you much success. We'll see you